Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for the sign Sagittarius, fire sign for the month November. And this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Sagittarius, let's see your messages. Energy could be vice versa. Because this is general reading, take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay, Sagittarius, your messages. 7 of Wands, 8 of Swords, Queen of Wands. Yeah. So your energy transfers like 7 of Wands. You are very defensive and then you become stuck. You are thinking about your person a lot and feeling you are stuck. Then you overcome this stuckness and become this energy. You stand by your power. Definitely you overcome this stuck energy. Yes, now you stand by your power. Queen of Wands. It is you, Sagittarius. It's your card. Definitely now you are protecting yourself emotionally and in all ways because you overcome this stuckness and this pain. Something happened in past. Definitely you overcome. Now you stand by your power. Yeah. Already you stand by your power. So yeah, your person could be Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Wow, good start. Let's see some more. Justice, 10 of Cups, 3 of Swords. Yeah. So someone wants second chance, but you cut them off. I think you cut them, your person off, because there is no equal give and take, or it could be any other reason. Definitely you cut them off. You stand by your power. And yeah, 10 of Cups with 3 of Swords. You want this happiness with your person, but your person didn't give you because there is no equal give and take. The one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you. You are become like heartbroken, or your person could be heartbroken. Energy could be vice versa. For some, you stand by your power, you cut them off, then your person become like this. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I think for some you overcome this pain and stand by your power. Let's see some more. Knight of Wands, 6 of Wands. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, 6, 7 of Cups. So here someone want to come towards you. There is a lot of passion. Your person is very passionate about you. They want success. Yeah, your person wants success with you. And 7 of Cups, they are fantasizing about you a lot. Your person could be have options also. Yeah, 6 of Wands with Knight of Wands. For some, you are concentrating on your career right now. You want to success there, Sagittarius. Yeah, you are now concentrating on your career, but someone approaching you for second chance. Yeah, a lot of water energy also. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. 4 of Wands, the Strength, Wheel of Fortune. Wow. So here what I'm saying, you stand by your power. Definitely your person could be Leo also, but you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, this is twin flame journey for some. For some it could be soulmate also. And Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning in your favor, Sagittarius. Yeah, because now you stand by your power. Now you are looking very attractive because you love yourself first. You're giving priority yourself first. You stand by your power. You want success in every area of your life. You are working towards your success very hardly this time. Yeah, but someone want to approach you. They want second chance. Someone is coming towards you. I think from past I'm getting. So definitely things are turning in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Lot of fire energies here. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Then Aries, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's say your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity about your situation, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings towards you first. Then okay, Princess of Wands, lot of cards I'm not taking. Okay, wow, Wheel of Fortune, two Wheel of Fortunes. You and your person got the Emperor. Yeah. So Princess of Wands, definitely your person want to take action towards you. They want to communicate you. They want to express their feelings, but they are waiting for time. Yeah, they are waiting for the right time to come towards you, because Wheel of Fortune is things turning in your. I think you got Wheel of Fortune. Your person also got Wheel of Fortune. I think the connection is going to be next level. Yeah. You both are waiting for the right moment. You both are waiting for each other. I am getting. Yeah, this time your person Emperor. Definitely they want to offer stability this time. I think Emperor, they want to take action this time. Yeah. Princess of Wands. Yeah, communication. You or your person could be, one person could be younger than the other person. One person is very good looking and handsome. In this connection, very beautiful. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Sagittarius, your person near future actions towards you. The Devil, Three of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, your person is obsessed with you. Yeah, they are obsessed with you. Three of Wands. Yeah, they are waiting for the right time, because Wheel of Fortune with Three of Wands. Definitely I think you turn your back from your person, but your person want you back. They are waiting for the right moment to offer this long-term commitment. Ace of Pentacles means long-term commitment. Yeah, I think one person in this connection may be addicted to some bad habits. You or your person could be Capricorn also. You both are obsessed with each other. Definitely your person, some devil energies here. I think I am getting here obsession and deception. Due to this obsession, some deception is also created in this connection. That's why for those who are in separation, the separation is happened. For those who are not in separation, definitely your love life is going to be next level. Because your person waiting for the right moment to come towards you and offer this long-term commitment. Sagittarius. Yeah, they want to take action towards you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Ace of Cups, Five of Swords from this deck. Five of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Two aces, definitely. Now you are in separation for some, definitely, because Five of Swords with Five of Pentacles. But you both want reconciliation, new beginnings. Ace of Cups with Ace of Wands. Definitely there is love between both of you. You both want new beginning in this connection. You both are waiting for the right moment. But there are some disturbances still there between both of you, because Five of Swords is here. Yeah, Five of Pentacles, for some there is separation still going between both of you. But yeah, you both want the same thing. You both want new beginning. Ace of Wands, passionate new beginnings with each other. And Ace of Cups, definitely love is there between both of you. Yeah, Sagittarius, your person will take action towards you. This time they are waiting for the right moment. Definitely you both want the same thing. Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Sagittarius. Knight of Swords, Nine of Wands, Page of Cups, and Two of Wands. Yeah, you are thinking about your person a lot. Page of Cups, definitely you are going to receive some messages from your person, an apology, or you are going to message your person, but you are like acting like guarded up. You don't want your person, but it is like outer feeling, but inner feeling you too also want this connection. And Knight of Swords, definitely some communication. I think some communication here. Page of Swords, Page of Cups, and Knight of Swords. Some communication, air energy you will get from your person, and someone is rushing towards you. Knight of Wands also there. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The World, the Lovers, and the Hanged Woman, the Chariot. Yeah, definitely your person is spiritually awakening right now. The Lovers, you or your person could be Gemini also. There is some intimacy between both of you. There is love. The World, yeah, you or your person could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, and different states. Definitely traveling is involved between both of you. And Chariot, you or your person could be Cancer also. Definitely your person want to take action this time. They want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, because they feel the love towards you. Yeah, For some, they realize you both after you walked away. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Also, Earth energy is also here. So definitely, it's Sagittarius. Your person want to take action towards you. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.